Welcome to Scenario Development. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the purpose of scenarios, explain what components the first, or the as-is part of a scenario should contain, and explain what components the second, or the to-be part of a scenario contains. Product owners use scenarios to elicit a product's requirements by describing both the current as-is environment and the envisioned to-be future. They focus on challenges and opportunities without prescribing solutions. This approach addresses stakeholders' needs and maintains flexibility in solution development. You can use scenarios to either drive the creation of themes, initiatives, and epics to support a broad goal. Or you can craft scenarios to clarify user stories so you can readily identify the definition of done for a task to deliver the highest value. This video will feature 2 example scenarios. In Scenario 1, a retail firm leverages AI to improve performance. It demonstrates the use of a scenario to drive the development of themes, initiatives, and epics to improve performance. Scenario 2 will focus on the use of a scenario for clarifying a user story in the context of a service department. The scenario will be used to facilitate task identification to improve customer satisfaction. So let's first look at Scenario 1. This scenario details how a retail firm can leverage AI to drive the development of themes, initiatives, and epics for performance improvement. The customer role for the scenario is a retail operations manager. The scenario has an overview of the pain points or problems faced by a customer or end user, or the opportunities they wish to pursue. The challenges faced in the scenario include inventory management inefficiencies, which lead to stockouts of popular items and overstocking of slow-moving products, impacting profitability. Inaccurate demand forecasting results in missed sales opportunities and high operational costs. Limited personalization in customer interactions leads to a low level of customer engagement and loyalty. Manual processes in daily operations consume excessive time and are prone to errors. Competitors adopting AI are gaining a market advantage. The opportunities that could become available include the following. The firm could utilize data analytics to predict customer preferences, optimize stock levels, and enhance operational efficiency. AI-based tools could automate routine tasks and reduce human error. Part 2 of the scenario defines what can be if the problems are addressed or opportunities are realized. The vision for this scenario includes an AI-enabled retail ecosystem that enhances inventory accuracy, improves operational efficiency, and personalizes the customer experience. The outcomes of this vision include AI-powered inventory management system that optimizes stock levels, reduces waste, and prevents stockouts. Machine learning models forecast demand with 95% accuracy, enabling strategic purchasing and promotion planning. Chatbots and recommendation engines that enhance customer service and boost engagement by offering personalized product suggestions. Robotic process automation that streamlines inventory audits and order processing, saving time and reducing errors. The achieved values from these outcomes include increased profitability by 20% through inventory optimization, improved customer retention and satisfaction through personalized services, enhanced operational efficiency reduces workload for employees, freeing them to focus on higher value tasks. The scenario would elicit a theme such as AI for retail excellence. The scenario could drive an initiative that deploys an AI-driven inventory management system. This would lead to the epic implement a machine learning model for demand forecasting. Now, let's take a look at the second of our scenarios, which is supporting a user story in a service department to facilitate the identification of tasks for improving customer satisfaction. The customer role for this first part of the second scenario is a service department manager. The challenges faced are as follows. High volume of customer complaints about delayed service resolutions. Customer support agents struggle to find relevant information quickly, leading to extended resolution times. Lack of a unified knowledge base creates inconsistencies in responses. Negative feedback and poor ratings on online review platforms impact brand reputation. Service agents report burnout due to the repetitive nature of certain tasks. The vision for this second scenario would be a customer-centric service department leveraging AI to streamline issue resolution, improve response quality, and enhance customer satisfaction. The outcomes of this vision would be as follows. An AI chatbot triages customer issues, resolving simple queries autonomously and escalating complex cases to human agents. An AI-driven knowledge management system provides agents with instant access to accurate, context-relevant information. Sentiment analysis tools prioritize complaints by urgency and emotional tone, enabling faster resolution. Automated feedback collection and analytics provide insights for continuous improvement. The value achieved by these outcomes could include reduced average resolution time by 30%, increased customer satisfaction score by 25%, improved employee morale as repetitive tasks are automated. The proposed user story for this scenario is as a customer service agent, I need an AI-powered tool that retrieves relevant knowledge base articles based on a customer's query so that I can provide faster and more accurate responses. The potential tasks to perform might include integrate the existing CRM system with an AI-based knowledge management platform, develop and test a natural language processing model for query recognition, train customer service agents to use the new system effectively, monitor and refine AI recommendations based on customer interactions. In this video, you learned that scenarios are powerful tools for eliciting requirements by describing both the current, as is environment, and the envisioned to be environment. The first part of a scenario should define a user role and focus on the challenges and opportunities without prescribing solutions. The second part of a scenario should provide a vision and the possible outcomes and values if the problems are addressed or opportunities are realized. Scenarios can be developed at a high level to drive the creation of themes, initiatives, and epics to support a broad goal. The first scenario in this video explores leveraging AI in a retail firm to optimize inventory, forecast demand, and personalize customer engagement, enabling strategic initiatives such as AI-driven inventory management and demand forecasting. The second scenario in this video addresses improving a service department's customer satisfaction by implementing AI-powered tools to triage queries, provide relevant information, and streamline resolution processes. And together, these scenarios guide teams in defining high-level strategies and actionable tasks to achieve impactful results.